www.gibsonTruckWorld.com 2004 Chevy Silverado 2500 LS Quad Cab Monster with 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty and only 68k miles. Do not make a $3K plus mistake. Before you buy a used truck, demand to see shop bills and have the truck inspected by a third party. Riding high on $5,500 of 6-inch lift kit with 37-inch Nitos and 20-inch Rockstar wheels. $500 Ploy Tough Spray and Bed Liner, $350 Weston Chrome Bull Bar, $200 Wildcat Flash Nerf Bars, Sony CD player with O-line, tilt steering, cruise control, keyless entry, alarm, towing package, power windows, power mirrors and power door locks. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the United States. 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department and our exclusive 15-day return.